So in this Aseprite tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use the shading tool that is in Aseprite. And to do that, you're going to need a color, any color really. You stick to that color and make 6 different values or shades of that color. I've selected green, and these are all of my color values. They're not really perfect, but this is just for the example. So you select your pencil tool, and you click the little bottle here, and you click on shading, and then we select all of our colors here, and they'll pop up right here. And then we need to create one color. Draw the one color here, and then now that we have our one color here, we can then right click and draw on the canvas, and that will then draw the next color above the darkest one. And then if we do the same thing, you can see it's starting to go up in color value, and now we have each and every different shade here. Left clicking will now make it go darker, so you see how when I hover my cursor over the lightest value, it makes it the color below. So, and then if we go all the way down again, we've now made it darker, darker, until we get down to the darkest value, until we hold right click again to make it brighter. And that is how you use the shading tool in Aseprite.